Is this a good time to start looking for returns in US airline stock? Now, markets are sort of growing increasingly bullish on airlines, and there's been a string of positive headlines coming out this week. The CEO of American Airlines is reported to have told a JPMorgan conference that he's personally been buying other airline stock as he's that optimistic about the sector. Also, we've seen Delta Airlines, Southwest Airlines, American Airlines, and United Airlines, as well as JetBlue, all upgrading their current quarter revenue forecasts, with them all expecting a recovery in air travel demand over the coming weeks. So is this a time to start looking at buying airline stock? Now, it's just noticeable that Southwest Airlines tends to have a stronger second half of the year, seasonally speaking, than its first half. So could this be the right time to buy the stock ahead of a potentially stronger second half of the year? Over the last 15 years, the average return for Southwest Airlines between 25th of June and 7th of December has been 11.32%. So is this potentially an opportunity to buy in ahead of a stronger second half of the year, with investors becoming increasingly optimistic about the future of airline stock? Now, just taking a look here at Southwest Airlines, you can see that price has shown some kind of support around this sort of 36 region, and we have the 200 exponential moving average just sitting below 32. So stops could be quite carefully defined underneath that 32 region, with the potential to move back up towards the 56 and 60 region overhead. The main risk to this outlook would be if there's any serious concerns about a return to maybe further COVID-19 restrictions, or any distress that particularly comes into airline stock. And the other key risk to be aware of is general stagflation fears, which could weigh on companies' future profitability if the Fed's perceived to be too aggressive in their rate hike path. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit, as you can find some great seasonal opportunities which could be early entries to great seasonal patterns.